In a world where power often prevails over justice, one woman dared to challenge the status quo. This is the story of a woman who chose to make a difference, a woman who wears many hats but remains true to her purpose, a purpose driven by her passion for justice and her unwavering spirit. Miss Abha Singh, a bureaucrat turned lawyer, broke free from the comforts of civil service to fight for the oppressed, the underprivileged, and the silenced. Coming from a family of civil servants, Miss Singh's decision to leave behind her successful career in the Indian Postal Service and pursue a path in law seemed surprising to many. But it was a conscious choice with a clear goal: to bring justice to the needy in a system that often favored the powerful.
Together and say no to rapes and want justice. The way police was compromised in the Unnao rape case worries me, that even after a victim complains, her father is beaten to death because they don't want the voices to come up. And even only when the people came on the roads, the ministers in Jammu Kashmir stepped down. So now we realize, and everybody knows, that the voice of the common man will be heard only when the common man comes on the roads, and that is why we are here today.
Becoming a bureaucrat was a tribute to her mother, who, despite being brilliant in her studies, was denied the opportunity to work due to societal customs. It was her mother who encouraged both Miss Singh and her sister Meenakshi to pursue civil services, realizing her own dreams through them. However, after 2 decades of dedicated service, Miss Singh felt constrained by the limitations of being a government servant. Together with her husband, former IPS officer Y.P. Singh, she decided to venture into the legal field, attending law classes in the evenings after work.
Yes, at the end of the hard day, we both are very satisfied. We feel we have done much, much more than I would have done as a government servant, as a postal officer. When I see people, when I'm walking and people come and tell me, you are Abha Singh, can you help me? If I'm traveling, I'm in the flight, somebody sees me and they said, oh, this is the issue. Can I give your number to her? They are looking for some justice. And I feel so happy. I said, good. I have been able to touch the common man. I've been able to interact with these people who are in need of justice, people who need help. So I'm very happy, and yes, I feel I can do much more.
The couple became known as the activist lawyer couple, fighting cases for the common folks against the powerful. They filed PILs against injustices in society, one notable case being a landmark PIL that protected the right to dissent. Interestingly, all her siblings entered civil services. One of them, Mr. Rajeshwar Singh, left his joint director post in Enforcement Directorate to join politics and is now an MLA from Sarojini Nagar constituency in Lucknow, while his wife, Ms. Lakshmi Singh IPS, is a police commissioner in Noida. The passion for justice runs deep in the family, as Ms. Singh's son, Aditya Pratap, is also a lawyer fighting for humanitarian causes. Her daughter, Isha Singh, currently training at the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, has already shown her commitment to justice by fighting pro bono for the welfare of widows. While her daughter is still committed to her civil service training, Miss Singh is proud of the legacy she's instilled in her children, standing up for the truth and seeking justice for all. Bold and outspoken, Miss Singh credits her father, an upright police officer, for instilling the values of courage and truth in her. Her journey may have earned her fame, but it also brought her enmity from those in positions of power. Despite the challenges, Ms. Abha Singh continues to walk the path less traveled, fighting for the underprivileged, inspiring others to join the cause, and proving that justice knows no boundaries. In a world that can often be unjust, she's a beacon of hope, standing tall against all odds. Ms. Abha Singh, a firebrand lawyer, a symbol of courage, and an unwavering voice for the silenced. And so, the fire within her continues to burn as she embraces each day with the choice to make a difference.